Don't you hate it when your plumbing breaks down and you've gotta get a plumber around? The same day service means a lot to you. At Pronto, we'll say.
For this particular install, we're putting in a 92% gas furnace, and the reason that is because you have a flue here, you have a fresh air here, and it has a secondary heat exchanger down here, so it has to drain out. This is the coil that we're putting in. It's a 2-ton. We know that because of the model number. It's a 24, so we know that's a 2-ton. Right now we have to extend the suction line over to match up. I have the 3/8" liquid line over here to match up. I have the 4-piece to ductwork. The return is completely 100% done. I have to still do the gas line switch. The switch that we use is a switch that you can plug stuff in. You should never have to turn it off because it operates the air conditioning also. I have to hook up my flue pipes yet, and my low voltage and high voltage.
Pronto.